Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel where we cook with Chef Jacques. Yeah, so today we'll be cooking duck and those tiny little things, we call them jagger, and sweet corn and chips. Okay, so this is just home cooking, no filter, non-filtrated means I am not good at adding voice behind the cover, so you'll be hearing all the talking and how we do it and we decided to do it. So get excited with me as we are cooking something delicious for the night. Mwah.
The oven is at temperature, so put this in and we time it for 30 minutes. Okay?
Okay.
When that bell goes off, plates in the oven 5 minutes before, so we've got hot plates.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
Now we need some sweet corn.
The salt.
Salt. Just you end up with such a mess in the kitchen,
Yeah.
and it's very difficult to work in a kitchen if it's a mess.
Yeah.
You can't operate.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So we're going to open the peas. Okay. And then what I normally try and do is okay, that's good. Yeah, put that into the water. Do again. Right, put that in the water. Do it again. Put that in the water. Right.
And this? Do we mix it?
Yeah. On a low heat,
Yeah.
right? So it'll just, when we're ready, it will be ready.
Yes.
Because the duck is going to take 30 minutes, right?
Yes.
Now, we're going to try this. I think what we're going to do is start that off pretty soon. You ready?
Yes.
That's enough. Is there a bit of plus 200? Okay. We're going to go preheat 15 minutes. That'll be something.
Yes. Like it's already set for 15 minutes.
Yeah, but that's the preheat. I've got to get it to 200.
Yeah.
Then we put the chips in for 15 minutes.
Yeah. Ah, okay.
Okay.
So it's gonna tell us that it's completely over.
Seems so, yeah.
We have to imagine.
We have to look at the book here. That's ready. The duck is ready. Let me get the duck out. Alright. And we put, that was the plate. That's the dessert. Now we're going to turn this.
Why are we putting the plates?
I'm going to turn this down onto about 180 like that. Sorry?
Why are we putting the plates? So they can become warm.
Hot food, hot plate.
Oh,
Can't say hot food.
cold plates.
On a cold plate.
Okay.
Okay? Now what I do is, because duck is very fatty, right?
Yes.
I take the duck out and I put it here so
The oil can.
we can lose the oil,
Nice.
right?
Perfect. Perfecto.
Okay.
So
But
All of this is the oil.
we still got to. This is still the sauce.
Awesome.
All right. So what I do, make a bit of space. Just be careful because
I'm gonna triple this with those
it
things.
gets hot. What we do is this. All right. And we do that.
That's right.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we're left with the sauce, but not the oil.
Yes.
Okay. We just leave that there until we're ready.
Okay.
This we put in the dustbin. So as we are working.
Yeah, keeping the kitchen clean. Oh,
Right, here we go.
voila!
Let's see what we got. Sounds a bit better. Nothing worse than soggy chips.
Yeah.
Okay, that's okay, I think. Yeah. What I would do is I would take
Some salt.
a little bit of seasoning. Okay. And do that again. And then the seasoning is nicely nicely mixed.
Yeah.
Okay. Right. Now we carefully take the plates out of the oven because they will be very hot now. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, they are very hot. Shut that up because we've got the dessert in there as well.
Yeah.
All right. Separate the plates. And then we can start to serve this up. This is good.
Very beautiful.
This vegetable is good. So we bring the vegetable over here. Careful. All right, we put in here. Take the water off. Right. Give it a bit of a drain the water properly.
Yeah.
Otherwise you've got water on your plate, which is not nice.
Yeah.
That's great.
Yeah.
Okay. So we put that over here as well. And then we can place this one.
So, is there a specific name for this dish?
This is just roast duck
Roast duck
with herbs.
with herbs
Yep.
and fries and
And peas and sweet corn.
peas and sweet corn.
Yeah.
Guys, it smells so delicious. Trust me.
And finish. Okay. I'm just going to do this. Okay. Take the dessert. It's going to be very hot, so we be very careful. And we put it over here. Right. So then we say,
That looks like eggs. Where's my eggs?
there's a some egg in here, but not like it's not like scrambled egg, you know what I mean?